What's up, y'all? It's Chef Zay, and welcome to another episode of the Pancake Chronicles. Today, we'll be making a Boxty pancake, also known as a potato pancake. For our Boxty, we have our potatoes, our flour, buttermilk, our salt, baking soda, green onions, garlic, and shallots. Potatoes, we want to peel half the potatoes first. Do a large dice on these potatoes. These are our potatoes. We're going to use these for our mashed potatoes. Let's add these to our water and let these go on a low simmer for about 10 minutes. All right. Let's grate some potatoes. Make sure you do not grate your fingers. You don't want that in there. Trust me, it hurts. First thing we're going to do, we're going to take our potatoes that we shredded. We're going to put it inside of a towel. We're going to close it up. We're going to squeeze all the liquid out of the potatoes that we have just grated. We want these to be dry. And we want them to look just like this. These have already been squeezed, and we've got much water we could possibly get out of these potatoes. Your hash browns are always wet and soggy and burnt on the outside and not cooked in the middle. You got to squeeze all the water out. Let's check on our potatoes to see if they're ready. And once they're fork ready, these are good to go. So let's get these potatoes off the heat. We're going to strain them, and we're going to get them in the refrigerator and allow the potatoes to cool. Let's get some potatoes inside of our ricer so we can smash them. Garlic. One shallot. Green onions. If you're a bold person and you don't mind a little extra flavor, you can actually add the white part of your green onion as well. We have our all-purpose flour. We're going to add our baking soda, and we're going to add our salt to the dry mix. Let's add our dry mix, our shallots and our garlic, and a little bit of green onion. Our mashed potatoes. Let's add our buttermilk. Let's mix this all together. Want to ensure that you have a crispy pancake when it's all said and done. One, you can save the starchy water and use some of that water in the mix, or just cut back a little bit on the amount of buttermilk that you use for this recipe. This will ensure that your pancake is as crispy as you would like it to be. Add some butter to the pan. Set our pancake. Make sure you mash your pancake in your cast iron skillet. We're going to let that go until we can get it golden brown, and we're going to flip and do it again. Let's flip your pancake. Let's make some eggs to go with this. Got my water. Let's add a little vinegar. Let's add our egg. Now we're going to get it plated up. Cracked black pepper. Green onions. Let's dig in. It's a vibe. Yo, it's Chef Zay. Like and subscribe if you love the vibe.